Have you ever noticed that almost every conversation starts exactly the same way? Hey, how are you? I'm good. And then nothing. Suddenly, your brain goes completely blank. You want to say something, anything, but all you hear is silence. It happens at school, at work, at family gatherings, even with people you've known for years. So why does something as natural as talking feel so difficult? The answer might surprise you. Most people think they run out of things to say, but that's not what's happening. Your brain isn't empty, it's overloaded. Instead of listening, you're busy asking yourself, what should I say? What if I sound weird? Did I just make this awkward? The more you think about yourself, the less attention you give to the other person. Imagine someone says, I went golfing over the weekend. You could simply reply, oh, that's cool. And just like that, the conversation ends. Instead, ask another question. Where do you usually play? How long have you been playing? One good question creates another answer, and another question. That's how conversations keep flowing. Here's the secret. Great conversationalists aren't the people who talk the most. They're the people who listen the best. Not fake listening, real listening. Listening to understand, not just to reply. When people feel heard, they naturally want to keep talking. Now imagine you discover that both of you love music, or books, or football. Suddenly, the conversation feels easy because you've found common ground. People connect fastest through shared interests, shared experiences, and shared values. So remember, ask intentional questions. Listen carefully. Find common ground. Because the goal isn't to be interesting. The goal is to be genuinely interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next EasyLab lesson.